Where are we?
We're on the Lewis River somewhere. Upper Lewis River.
You look really bad like this. I'm cutting off the top of your head because that's arty.
Is this?
No, because your belly. It's not big, but because of the angle, it's really funny. That's really awesome.
The sun come out tomorrow.
Where are you? I'm going to focus on your background now.
Lewis River. Washington, Gifford Pinchot. National Forest. My river. There's no one around for miles, but
It's a little overcast. It's fucking pretty though. Papa. I think that you can zoom in movies now with this one. This camera's so much better. What do you think about that? Do you have a really big dog?
No.